Hey guys, it's Wes Colby with the Pool Man, and we are in West Houston at the Royal Oaks Country Club visiting the Vascu family pool. And there's a few features I want to share with you, so let's get started. To begin with, there's 6 pencil jets, 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and they look really good day or night. And then the sun shelf has 2 LED bubblers, which really light up that sun shelf at night, because without them, it's kind of dark to see. Awesome custom spa. This is a neat spa. It's oversized to begin with, so it holds a lot of people. And it's a 360-degree vanishing edge, which means the entire edge of the hot tub flows water over the sides. Just looks beautiful. And we faced it with beautiful 1x2 glass mosaic tile. It's got an iridescent look, so in the sunlight, it really pops. It's just really pretty. And of course, like all our hot tubs, this spa features our Parajets, which give you extra therapy on your back and just feel wonderful. It's hard to beat fire and water, y'all. It just is. When you combine those 2 elements together, and obviously the fire pit's not on right now, but at night, this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got a key valve right here. You take your light stick, light it off. It's beautiful. This has glass rock media, and this is called confetti mix. It's a mixture of different colors. It looks like jewelry, looks like candy. It's just awesome. So a unique aspect of this part of Harris County is the soil. It's very expansive. And what that means is it moves, and you don't want that for a pool, because what can happen with the pool, the soil is expansive, in 2 or 3 years, or maybe 4 or 5 years, it can shift. And that's not good, especially with a water feature like this vanishing edge hot tub. That's gotta be dead nuts level at all times. So the engineering required on this pool requires 15 piers underground, 12 feet deep. And what they are basically are a concrete cylinder that goes down to the ground, steel reinforced, that goes down to the ground first. There's 15 of these. And then we actually anchor the pool to that concrete pier. And so it just makes the pool very stable, and the chance of it ever moving, almost practically 0. So originally this patio had brick on the deck itself. And the homeowner didn't really like that look. Plus, there were brick retaining walls along here, and along here, and along here. And so to open up the sight lines better, we decided to demo those walls, break them down, remove them. We also removed the brick on the deck itself and capped it with travertine pavers. So it's all the same. From the back door to the water, it's flawless. Beautiful.